Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat on your iPhone. The first sign is you cannot find their username. Open Snapchat and tap on the search icon at the top. Type their personal username or full name. If their profile doesn't appear at all, it means they have blocked you. You can also go to the chat screen. If your previous conversation is completely gone and you can't start a new chat, this is another strong sign of being blocked. If you tap their name from an old message or memory and nothing appeared, or you see there an error, they may have blocked you. If your friend before and could not see their snap score but now you can see it at all, this may indicate a block. If you have access to a friend's Snapchat account, search for the same username. If the profile shows up from them but not from you, then you have been mostly been blocked. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.